Hey guys, welcome to A to Z Analytics. Today we are going to discuss the Dream 11 IPL match between Bangalore and Kolkata Knight Riders. So guys, before watching the video, please like and subscribe the channel. So guys, this is the 28th match of IPL 2020. So like every day, even yesterday also our teams have performed very well in grand leagues as well as small leagues as per our video technical analysis. So guys, even in this video also we will be discussing about technical analysis, pitch statistics, T20 analysis, head-to-head and player statistics. Along with that we will be discussing about Dream 11 team for small league as well as for grand league. And also guys, along with this we will be discussing fan fighting. So guys, basically fan fight is also a fantasy cricket gaming app like Dream 11 where we will be having variety of contests like mega contest, iPhone 11 gadget pool, head-to-head contest and all. So guys, let's go and discuss the technical analysis for today's game. So guys, basically this is a game between Royal Challengers Bangalore and Kolkata Knight Riders, which is the 28th match of IPL 2020, and the venue is Sharjah Stadium. So guys, Royal Challengers Bangalore is playing for their first game in Sharjah Stadium. So guys, basically this is the pitch and weather report for today's game. So like pitch is good for batting and we can see a lot of runs scored in particular game. Even though pitch is bit slow, but it is quite helpful for spinners guys. So guys, a score of 180 plus is going to be tough for chasing side, and also guys weather is clear and there is no chance of rain, and also guys temperature is above 38 degrees centigrade. So guys, this is pitch and weather report. So guys, these are the probable playing 11 for Royal Challengers Bangalore as well as Kolkata Knight Riders. So guys, we have Devdutt Padikkal and Aaron Finch as openers for Royal Challengers Bangalore, followed by Virat Kohli, AB de Villiers, Shivam Dube, Gurkeerat Singh, Chris Morris, Washington Sundar, Isuru Udana, Navdeep Saini and Yuzi Chahal. So guys, for Kolkata Knight Riders we have Rahul Tripathi, Shubman Gill, Nitish Rana, Sunil Narayan, Ian Morgan, Andre Russell, Dinesh Karthik, Pat Cummins, Kamlesh Nagarpati, Prasidh Krishna and Varun Chakravarti. So guys, this is the probable playing 11 for Royal Challengers Bangalore and Kolkata Knight Riders as well. And also guys, this is the pitch statistics in T20 international in particular venue. So guys, we have total of 13 matches played in particular venue, out of which batting first have won 9 and batting second have won 4 games. So guys, average first inning score is 149 and highest total is 215 and lowest total is 90. And highest score chased is 140 and lowest score defended is 154 by England. So guys, this is the pitch stats in particular venue, that means Sharjah Stadium. So guys, this is the pitch statistics in IPL 2020. So guys, we have total of 5 matches played in particular venue, out of which batting first have won 4 games and batting second have won 1 game. So we may expect this also, like the team which is batting first in today's game may have more chances of winning, and there is no tie in particular ground guys. So guys, highest score is 228 and lowest score is 138 and highest score chased is also 223 and lowest score defended is 184. So guys, based on these statistics, this is also going to be a high scoring game as predicted by yesterday. So guys, this is the head-to-head between Royal Challengers Bangalore and Kolkata Knight Riders. We have total of 25 matches played between these two teams, among which Royal Challengers Bangalore have won 10 and Kolkata Knight Riders have won 15 games guys. So guys, based upon this, Kolkata Knight Riders is favorite for today's game and there is no tie between these two teams guys. So guys, these are the top pick players for today's game: Virat Kohli, AB de Villiers, Yuji Chahal, Chris Morris, Andre Russell, Rahul Tripathi and Shubman. So guys, we have an update on Andre Russell. Like Russell is unfit and Russell is not confirmed for today's game, so we need to wait until the toss for update on Russell. So guys, these are the choices for captain and vice captain. We have AB de Villiers, we have Shubman Gill, we have Rahul Tripathi. So these 4 are the best choices of captain and vice captain. So guys, please go with your options of captain and vice captain for today's game. Even though I will be giving the options, but please go with your options for today's game. So guys, let's go and discuss the Dream 11 team. So guys, let me create a team. So guys, in the wicket keeping section we have almost 2 options, like we have AB de Villiers and we have Dinesh Karthik guys. So guys, like I'll be going with AB de Villiers from my team. We may also try Dinesh Karthik for grand leagues, but for small league point of view I'll be going with AB de Villiers guys. AB de Villiers. So as in the batting section, we have plenty of options like we have Virat Kohli, we have Liam Morgan, we have Nitish Sharma, we have Shubman Gill, we have Aaron Finch, and we have Rahul Tripathi. So guys, here I will be going with Virat Kohli, Nitish Rana, Shubman Gill, Rahul Tripathi. Along with this guys, I will be going with Devdutt Padikkal. So as we may also try Liam Morgan for Grand Leagues. And also guys, in the all-rounder section we have plenty of options like we have Andre Russell, we have Sunil Narine, we have Chris Moore. So guys, but still we don't have any update of Andre Russell, so I'll be going with Sunil Narine and Chris Morris. And also guys, in the bowling section we have Pat Cummins, we have Yuji Chahal, we have Navdeep Saini, we have Kamlesh Nagakoti, and we have Isru Udana. But for the small league, I'll be going with Pat Cummins, Yuji Chahal, and Navdeep Saini. So guys, this is a team for small league. Since we have credit issue, we have dropped Liam Morgan and Riras. So you guys may take Liam Morgan and Riras for your team. So guys, coming to captain and vice captain point of view, we have AB de Villiers, we have Devdutt Padikkal, we have Shubman Gill, we have Virat Kohli. But in my team, I'll be going with Virat Kohli as captain and Shubman Gill as vice captain, guys. So guys, let me show the team preview. So guys, this is the team preview for small leagues. So guys, let's go and create a team for fan fight. So as in the all-rounder section, I'll be going with AB de Villiers as only option. And also as in the batting section, we have plenty of options like we have Virat Kohli, we have Shubman Gill, Devdutt Padikkal, Nitish Rana, and Rahul Tripathi. These are the 5 options I'm going in batting section. So as in the all-rounder section, I'll be going with Chris Morris along with Sunil. And also guys, in the bowling section, I'll be going with Yuji Chahal, Pat Cummins, and Navdeep Saini. So guys, captain and vice captain point of view, Virat Kohli is the captain and Shubman Gill is the vice captain. However, you might try Sunil Narine, Devdutt Padikkal, and AB de Villiers for small and grand leagues combination. So guys, let's have a team preview. So guys, this is the team preview for small league as well as grand league for fan fight. So guys, thanks for watching us. Please like and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.